All right, you guys, welcome back. This is part two. We're about to chop this bad boy up. You feel me? Or whatever, whatever. But I'm going to start by sectioning the hair where the stripes are on the side. I'm gonna take that part and separate it and tie the top off so it doesn't get in the way. And then we're gonna pull everything up to the top and then we're gonna chop it. All right? Watch this. All right, you guys, once you get everything pulled up to the top, you want to take your shears and you want to go in and you want to point cut. And make sure you get a clean line because this is going to be your guide for the continuation of this cut. All right, now we're at the next section. You want to, I parted right at the top of the two stripes that's on the side. And then I went ahead and separated that hair that's at the top. And then I did the same thing I just did. I pulled everything to the top. But what I was looking for is my guide. And so once you pull everything up and you get everything nice and smooth, you want to find your guide and you want to go in and you want to continue to point cut like you did the last section and make sure everything is clean. All right, you guys, on this front section, we're gonna do the same thing we just did. Gonna pull everything up, but we're gonna over direct in the front because I want the layers to be a little bit higher than where they are now, especially around the face. And so we're gonna comb everything through, and then we're gonna go in. We're gonna twist it a couple times. Then we're gonna find out where we're gonna cut, and then we're gonna point cut. And then we're gonna take all of the hair together, brush it up, and it's gonna meet right there at that point where I'm at right now. And you guys are gonna see what that looks like. And then I'm gonna show you guys another tip when you go in with your thinning shears. Once you're done creating that line from the front where I'm at right now, you're gonna go in with your thinning shears, twist that bad boy, and just hit it a couple times with the thinning shears, and that's gonna thin those layers out. It's gonna make for a lighter layer. You'll see what I'm saying once we get to that part. All right. guys, hopefully you guys like those layers. I'm loving it already. So I took it an extra step and I went in with my barrel curlers, and I'm just doing some barrel curls. And just so I can really see those layers, and so you guys can really see those layers. And then you guys are going to see what it looks like. And like I said, before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting new content. I will be back on another video soon. If you have any suggestions for me, or if you have any ideas for me as far as styling wigs or whatever, you can definitely put them in the comment section and let me know how you guys feel about this look. And I will be back on another video, and I appreciate you guys. And until next time, ciao.